Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have our mimosas, cheers to Thanksgiving, and we are going to get our turkey breast roast prepped and ready for our dinner tonight. I wanted to probably put it in maybe about an hour ago, but that's all right. I think my crock pot is on crack, so it'll work out in the end. So here's what we're gonna do. We drink our potion. We have our butterball turkey breast roast. We've never had that. We're not really big turkey people, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try because it's all over social media everywhere.
Well, what do we usually have on Thanksgiving?
We usually have drunken pig, which is ham and brown sugar and beer. It's delicious. So we're gonna try turkey breast this time. So we've got our turkey breast roast. We have our cranberry sauce already put in the bowl. Everything's going in the bowl and then going over the turkey. We have our apple cider. We have our orange juice, our onion soup mix packet, and some poultry seasoning and rosemary. And all I'm gonna do is pat off the roast, put it in the crock pot, mix all these ingredients into this bowl, and dump it on the roast. So I'll mix all these now while you're here, and then I'll dry off the roast, and then we'll continue. Got our mix. I think it says a teaspoon of this. Poultry seasoning. We're going in with some chicken griddle seasoning. That's the poultry seasoning I had. We have our apple cider, and we have orange juice. So mix it all in.
Just like a professional cooking show, she had everything all measured out.
I've seen recipes on TikTok that put everything one by one on it, and I've seen recipes that show that you put it all in the bowl and pour it on top. So that's, oh my gosh. She had smell-o-vision, holy moly. I think this is gonna be magical. Try to smell that.
Ooh.
She smells good. All right, let's open this up. This comes with a gravy packet. I will probably use it. Mix it in with our other gravy when it's all ready. So this is what it looks like. There's a little bit of ice on it, but I think we'll be all right. It says to leave the netting on since this is a roast. So that's what I'm gonna do. Crock pot. I'm not a liner person. I know some people are. I'm not. I don't give a crap. It's going in the dishwasher. Roasting.
With the fat side up.
Fat side up. Spicy, yummy cranberry mixture on top. I am quite excited for this. And then into the crock pot we go. We'll see you in about 6 to 7 hours. Oh, the rosemary. I'm gonna put the rosemary on top. I took it off of its little stems. Oh, that's festive looking. Festive.
And how long?
6 to 7 hours.
Cool.
So we'll see you back when it's all done.
Not like anybody doesn't know how to make mashed potatoes, but I say, what the hell? So, yep, 3 big potatoes, boil them, mix them, mashed potatoes. Well, as Erin said at the beginning, that her crock pot, both of our crock pots are on crack. We should call them crack pots. Anyway, it's a half hour before the earliest time that it will be done, and Erin just temped it, and it is done. So we'll give you a sneak peek. Ooh, I don't want to get too close yet because I don't want to steam up the lens. It smells really good. So what's next? What are we going to do?
We're going to let the turkey breast rest.
On the cutting board?
On the cutting board.
Okay.
We're gonna put some foil over it, and we got the mashed potatoes started right there on the induction top. We've got the stuffing already in there. It's got
23 minutes to go.
Perfect timing.
Before we have to take the foil off.
Perfect timing, and then all we have to do is heat up the rolls and heat up some corn.
Cool. So what are you going to do with all the juice that's in the crock pot?
Going to make gravy.
Oh, so I'll have to see that too.
We'll have to do that, yeah. Alrighty, I'm getting ready to take this turkey breast out so it can rest. Got my tongs and my helper handle. Let's just go up here. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing.
Woohoo!
I'm so excited. I'm not good at turkeys either, so fingers crossed. This one's good.
And then we're going to use a lot of this stuff to make some gravy.
I will strain it out. I have some strainers. I will be straining this out and using this for some gravy. The packet of turkey breast roast did come with a gravy packet. I may or may not use it. Probably not, because this is probably going to be way better. So we'll be back.
So we're finishing the straining of all the stuff that was left in here. We had to stop recording because there's only 2 of us, and I had to pour into the strainer while it strains. So it smells really good. So what are you thinking, Hunter? Are you gonna want to put any of that other packet stuff in there?
No, I want to taste this. I really think it's going to be good by itself. It's got that onion packet and the chicken seasoning in there. I think it's going to be just fantastic by itself.
Okay. And using all of the patience in the world, because I would have given up by now, she's still letting it sift through there, so good on you.
This is the turkey breast concentrated, or gravy, turkey gravy concentrated, sorry. We're gonna add probably a little bit into our drippings from our crock pot, and then we'll see. It smells good. It smells like turkey, so.
And what'd you think of the strained out juicy goodness?
So good.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah, it was really good.
Okay, so this is gonna be like a flavor enhancer to that.
Yeah, it's gonna be like flavor explosion turkey.
Yumminess.
Con pie, I don't know. I just made up a word.
Con pie, okay.
I don't know.
Is that like compote?
Sure, compote.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, so we're kind of just in limbo right now, waiting for things to finish, and the crock pot has cooled off, so our 3 little fur babies have been very well behaved today, as you can tell.
They think I have something for them.
Oh yeah, but what they don't know is they get to help with the dishes tonight. So, Mama, if you would do the honors. Happy Thanksgiving, babies. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
All right, the potatoes are fork tender. Little trick that I learned from one of my coworkers, get some of the potato water for when you need to, if they're a little bit too dry, you can add some potato water in there. I like to use a glass jar just to keep some of it.
Is it better than using regular tap water because it's got the starch in it?
Yeah.
Or is that why? Okay.
Yeah, the same like with you use like pasta water. It just kind of loosens it up. So I just like to keep a little bit extra. I was using this solely, but then I went to like heavy whipping cream or half and half and butter and salt and pepper. So we're just going to save a little bit of this for if we need it. So Chip's going to go ahead and grab the pot holders and strain this for me because Sea Salt Sally is pretty heavy.
Yes, we name everything.
Sea Salt Sally is the name of my La Creuset Cassidou pan.
But you have to say it
Perfect.
right. Non-croissant.
Say it again.
Non-croissant. You have to say it like a snobby Frenchman.
I can't do that. Potatoes are done. Potatoes are gonna go back into Sea Salt Sally and get whipped up.
Aaron swears by this Kerrygold.
Kerrygold's gonna be the star of our Thanksgiving dinner. Whole stick. We're not shy around with butter around here.
You only die once, as Dwight Schrute would say.
Got some salt or some pepper, some salt, an audience. And I'm gonna do some whipping cream in this one. See where we're at. Got my KitchenAid hand mixer. I think I'm gonna add a nice scoop of sour cream to our potatoes this time. And mix it all together.
You should lift it out of the bowl while it's on high and see what happens.
How about
It'd be
we
like
not?
a scavenger hunt for the dogs to go find the potatoes.
I will not do that.
Oh.
But I will let them lick the beaters like children lick the cookie beaters because they like these beaters.
Just hoping that something was dropped, even though nothing was.
A piece of potato was dropped.
Oh.
It's actually really good.
So we're just
a little bit more salt and pepper. But
Okay.
other than that, we're gonna call that good.
Okay, cool. And the turkey's already done. Stuffing has another minute and 43 seconds to go on it. And if you're wondering why it doesn't have foil on it now, well, you'll have to go back and watch our stuffing video. It's fun making multiple videos at the same time. Said no one ever.
Alrighty, I've tossed in the drippings from the crock pot, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this turkey concentrate and a slab of butter. And we're gonna let this heat up, and we're gonna make some gravy with it and add some flour. That's about it for the gravy.
The things are coming together. We just have the gravy to finish and the corn in the microwave, and then Aaron made some sourdough dinner rolls the other day, and they're just gonna go in here to get reheated. We tried them the other day. Oh my goodness, they're so good.
All right, I'm gonna add some flour to this super hot drippings. See if we can make a gravy. I'm not really good with making homemade gravy other than sausage gravy, so we'll see what happens.
And don't worry, come Christmas time, we're gonna be making a video on our Christmas casserole that we make. Let's just say you're gonna wanna stay tuned. I'll go ahead and throw a link in the description for the short we made last year. We're gonna do a full-length video this year because, whoo, there's a reason we only eat it once a year. I'm just gonna say that.
Gotta get all the lumps out.
And then we're super fancy with our cranberries, straight out of the can, baby. That's the way I like them, and Aaron likes them. We had to call in the reinforcements. The whisk wasn't getting it done.
She's sticking it up nice. Oh, she smells so good.
Oh yeah, that was like instant improvement right there.
Yeah.
Cool. The moment you've all been waiting for. And thank you for all 2 of you who are still watching this video. Time for the turkey. Now we're gonna cut the netting off. She's still hot, that's for sure.
So from what I heard from the recipe is the netting keeps that breast roast all together and the juices all in there. So now cutting it off, you're able to release everything. So
Yeah, imagine it's probably all like rolled up or something.
yeah, I think it's like a turkey breast probably pounded out and rolled. I've never gotten one, so this is a first for us. An exciting first because the audience is excited too.
Just a lot.
That's a mess.
Yeah, she's flinging.
Uh-oh.
That's all right.
That's all right. Oh,
And
moment of
use
truth.
Our little carving knife here.
We have a carving knife.
Ooh. Let's try a piece.
Wow.
That's some flavor right there.
Mmm. Mmm. Look at that.
Oh, this
Oh my
steak.
gosh. Dogs are excited. Mmm, the juices. Mmm.
Ooh, it's hot.
Uh-oh. Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, and it's boneless, as if you couldn't tell. Okay. There we go.
All done.
Let's set up our, oh wait, no. We're professionals here.
And move to the plate.
Gotta have the presentation.
Yumminess.
Look at that. Yes, I know it's a huge plate, but we have a turkey platter finally. We're gonna friggin' use it. So there you go. And before we eat, we just wanna make sure we give our always faithful, loyal, and obedient babies their Thanksgiving dinner too. So we have some turkey, potatoes, a little bit of bread, and some gravy for them. They already had their regular dinner hours ago, but they gotta have some too before we eat. Elvis. There we go.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving, puppies. Today was a lot of fun. We always enjoy when we get to cook together. It's fun. So here's what we ended up. This is my plate. And just so you know, I haven't eaten since, 8 hours ago. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a lot. And then there's our gravy. Aaron's little adult beverage. Our rolls. And then Aaron's plate. Leave us a comment. Let us know, do you like this style? Is it too lengthy? Would you like to see us do this at Christmas time? Because we make some really good food at Christmas time as well. And we plan on, if you guys like this, we're gonna go ahead and just do it that way. Because last year I was doing it with shorts, which are cool, but it's just not as fun. So with all that said, and I know you're gonna be watching this after Thanksgiving, we wanna thank you for hanging out with us. So happy Thanksgiving.